Hello students, I am Chelma Reddy. Welcome to CR Maths class. In previous class we are completed concept, Centroid, Circum Centre, Ortho Centre and in center related. Now I am going to discuss some problems. See the 39th question. This is a level 1, 39th one. How to solve this problem? Here, three vertices given. A, 1 comma minus 1. B, 4 comma minus 1. These two coordinates, observe that here y coordinates equal, and C point 4 comma 3 given. Here see that x coordinates equal. Now draw the line y is equal to minus 1 and x is equal to 4. First take coordinate axis 2D. This is now how to take here 4 comma minus 1, x is equal to 4, draw the line. This is x is equal to 4. Then y is equal to minus 1. This is y is equal to minus 1. This is x is equal to 4. Now students observe here. This is x is equal to 4, y is equal to minus 1. And another point is there, C 4 comma 3. So this is y is equal to 3. Y is equal to 3. Now students see here. Here a point is 1 comma minus 1. And C point is what? 4 comma 3. And B point is 4 comma minus. So here they are asking the equation of the altitude through the vertex A. Through the vertex A, this is altitude. This is altitude. So equation of altitude, equation of the altitude through the vertex A is, what is that? Y is equal to minus 1. Now y plus 1 is equal to 0. This is the answer. Which option correct, students? Third option correct. Question. The equation of the sides of a triangular, one is x minus 3y is equal to 0. This is equation 1. Second one is 4x plus 3y minus 5 is equal to 0. This is second one. Third one, 3x plus y is equal to 0. This is third one. Here observe that 1 and 3 passing through origin. How we know that? Passing through origin. How we know that? There is no constant term. This is, we can write x is equal to 3y. This is, we can write y is equal to minus 3x. Okay, so now draw the diagram, then we will understood. And observe here 1 and 3 passing through origin and both are perpendicular. Yes or no? X minus 3y is equal to 0. 3x plus y is equal to 0. Both are perpendicular to each other. This is x is equal to 3y. This is y is equal to minus 3x. This is equation 1. This is equation 3. But both are perpendicular. What about another line? I think it is here. This is equation number 2. Okay, this is one right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. Now read the question once again. 3x minus 4y. 3x minus 4y is equal to 0 given. This is passing through origin. Yes or no? Passing through origin, because there is no constant now. And observe that 4x plus 3y minus 5 is equal to 0. 3x minus 4y is equal to 0 are perpendicular to each other. Yes or no? Perpendicular to each other. Okay, students. Now draw the line. This is the line passing through origin. But these two are perpendicular. These two are perpendicular. By observing this concept, the line passing through what? Draw the one triangle. This is these two perpendicular to each other. This is the origin. So these two perpendicular mean, this is, we will say that height of the triangle now. Height means altitude. This is altitude. Altitude. Altitude passing through Ortho Centre or not? Altitude is passing through Ortho Centre only. Median is passing through centroid. Perpendicular bisector is passing through Circum Centre. So this is altitude. So altitude passing through what? Ortho Centre. Finally, 3x minus 4y passing through what? Ortho Centre. Right, third option correct. 41 question. Equation of a diameter of the circumcircle of the triangle formed by the lines. Circumcircle. First draw the one circle. This is a circle. Okay. And draw the one diameter. Diameter means you know very well. Passing through center of the circle. Approximately, I'm saying that this is center of the circle. Okay. Now here, draw the two lines like this. Tell me, these two lines are perpendicular. We know very well. Angle in a semicircle is right angle. Yes or no? Angle in a semicircle is right angle. These lines are perpendicular. These two lines are perpendicular means these diameter, hypotenuse is the diameter. Yes or no? Now, see the question, three equations given. One is 3x plus 4y minus 7 is equal to 0. This is equation 1. Equation 2, see that 3x minus y plus 5 is equal to 0. This is 2. And observe here 1 and 2, those two are parallel. Parallel means x coefficient, y coefficient is same. But y coefficient 1 is 4, 1 is minus 1. So these two not parallel. These two not perpendicular also. Write the another equation, third one, that is 8x minus 6y plus 1 is equal to 0. Here students, take 2 common, 4x minus 3y plus 1 by 2 is equal to 0. Here 4x minus 3y plus 1 by 2 is equal to 0. This is third equation. Observe these two, 1 and 3. Those are perpendicular. For suppose ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 means what is perpendicular line? Bx minus ay plus k is equal to 0. These two are perpendicular to each other. Yes or no? This is the concept. So by observing from 1 and 3, observe that 1 and 3 are perpendicular to each other. Perpendicular to each other. By observing the diagram, this is you can take 1, this is 3, then this is 2 now. 1 and 3 perpendicular. So the triangle is right angle. So hypotenuse is diameter. So hypotenuse means which equation? Second equation. See here. Equation of a diameter of the circumcircle. So here hypotenuse is equal to diameter. So what is equation of diameter, students? Equation of diameter, that is second equation, 3x minus y plus 5 is equal to 0. This is the diameter. Equation of diameter. Which option correct? Third option correct. Question number 42. The in-center of the triangle formed by the lines. 3 lines given. We need to find in-center. What is in-center first of all? The internal angular bisectors of A, internal angular bisector of A, internal angular bisector of B, internal angular bisector of C. Finally, internal angular bisector of ABC, the point of intersection of or point of concurrency of internal angular bisectors is called in-center. It is denoted by I. And draw the one circle touching all the sides of a triangle internally. All the sides of a triangle internally. We will say that this is in circle. In circle. This is, it's not exactly circle, approximately. This is in circle. Okay. Here one property is in center to the side of a triangle. In center to the side of a triangle having equal length. Equal length. For suppose this is take D, E, F. Here the concept is ID length, IE length, that is equal to IF length. These lengths are equal. This is the property here. Okay. In center of the triangle formed by the lines, and these lines are perpendicular. Okay. Now see here, I am taking, for suppose, let in center taking origin. Find the perpendicular distance from in center to side. Perpendicular distance from in center to any side. Perpendicular distance. I am going to find perpendicular distance from origin to any side of the equation. First see this. What we get? Perpendicular distance. Ax1 plus by1 plus c. That means 0 plus 0 minus pi divided by under root a square plus b square. A means cos alpha. Cos square alpha plus sin square alpha. What we are getting? Pi divided by root 1, that is pi. Same like that, find the perpendicular distance from origin to the second line. 0 plus 0 minus pi divided by under root cos square beta plus sin square beta. How much we are getting, students? Pi by root 1, that is also pi. And one more is there. Perpendicular distance from origin to third line, that is 0 plus 0 minus pi divided by under root cos square gamma plus sin square gamma, that is equal to, we are getting pi by root 1, that is pi only. So observe this concept. Perpendicular distance from in center to sides of a triangle is equal. We got equal answer now. Pi. So in this case, we will say that whatever we are assumed in center I is correct. Finally, in center, that is origin. But in the question, in center is alpha comma beta given. Alpha comma beta. But what we need to find? Alpha plus beta. Alpha value is 0 plus beta value also 0. 0 plus 0, 0. So alpha beta is in center means the sum of the coordinates is 0. So finally, first option correct. Students, see that level 2, 46th question. Centroid, Circum Centre, Ortho Centre and in center related problems. Read the question carefully. What they are given? One vertex of an equilateral triangle is origin and side opposite to it has the equation x plus y is equal to 1. Then the ortho center of the triangle is, first take one triangle. This is a triangle. Okay. Now this is in equilateral triangle, one of the vertex is origin given. So I am taking this is the origin O. This is A, this is B. Opposite to origin, side opposite to it has equation. These line equation is x plus y is equal to 1. That means minus 1 is equal to 0. Then find ortho center of the triangle. Ortho center of the triangle we need to find. Here in equilateral triangle, ortho center, centroid, circum center, in center. So locate at same place. This is ortho center. That is equal to centroid also. Ortho center, centroid, in center, circum center. These are all located at one place only in equilateral triangle. Okay. So here ortho center is equal to centroid only. Centroid divides median in the ratio 2:1. Ortho center means one more condition is there. This is altitude. Altitude means this is, we will say that foot of the perpendicular. Yes or no? Foot of the perpendicular. So finally, first we need to find foot of the perpendicular. Then centroid divides O, and this is I am taking D in the ratio 2:1. In that basis, we will get the answer easily. First, foot of the perpendicular from origin to the line. Apply the formula, foot of the perpendicular. H minus 0 by A value is 1. K minus 0 by B minus AX1 plus BY1 plus C by A square plus B square. This is. Here see the calculation, we get 1 by 2. Here H is equal to K. So finally, the D point H comma K is what? 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2. Okay, students. Now here observe that this is O. O means origin. Here ortho center means I am taken O, change that. Ortho center means take H. H. Now this is H, that is equal to centroid. This is D. H is equal to centroid only. Centroid divides OD in the ratio 2:1. Here this point we know that 0, 0, and D point is 1 by 2, 1 by 2. So H divides OD in the ratio 2:1 internally. So we need to find H. How to find, students? Apply the section formula. Mx2 2 into 1 by 2 plus 1 into 0 by 2 plus 1 comma 2 into 1 by 2 plus 1 into 0 by 2 plus 1. See the calculation. Here we get 1 by 3. Here 1 by 3 because numerator, see that 2 into 1 by 2, 2 cancel or not. Finally, ortho center of the triangle. What is the answer? First option.